I have so much time now as a stand-up comic. I'm going for movies alone. Morning shows. Whenever I'm watching an English movie, I go to PVR because they have subtitles. तो जब वो बोलेगा तभी समझ में ये बोला तूने. You guys also need it. Huh? Don't like I understand English. No. You know English. But there is a delay. That's why if there are no subtitles, they'll क्या बोला अभी वो? क्या बोला अभी बोलना क्या? अभी क्या बोला वो? क्या बोली वो? अरे मैं तेरे साथ आया भी नहीं, तेरे को क्या बताऊं? So I was so excited to watch the movie. I came 20 minutes in advance. I was so excited. I went out. I sold my car, bought some popcorn, came back, and I was seated. And I went through all the stuff in the beginning. I was like, Mukesh, who died for the 250th time. Mukesh, तो कितना अट्टा? फेफड़े में इतना अट्टा? इतना देखो कितना ये बकेट भर गया दूसरा बकेट ला रहे इतना अट्टा क्या करेगा इतना मोदी जी रास्ता बनाओ ना लो ना कितना अट्टा. Then there is one non-smoking guy in which this dad uses his daughter as an ashtray. देखा क्या? बच्चे अरे ashtray खरीदना. And that house has no windows. It's smoke everywhere. No windows. In fact, there is one exhaust fan. वो बाहर है, वो अंदर. बाहर का smoke भी अंदर आ रहा है. I watched all that in anticipation, and right when the movie was about to start, walked in a couple. A couple with 2 kids. That father had given up in life. नहीं जीना है. His kids were playing spitting competition. पापा जज करो मेरा आ गया. नहीं जीना मार कोई मार दो. Walking like they tied his shoelace. He fell down. नहीं जीना नहीं. That guy, I could look into him, I could look into his soul and into the past. He had forgotten how to have sex. Forgotten. क्या करते क्या अभी किधर क्या कर. He had lost interest in life. मतलब if there was a terrorist attack there, he would be like, मैं नहीं जा रहा. कर तेरे को जो करना है. Now, both the boys, they were twins. You know what does that mean? That means it's not like they wanted the second child. One day doctor came like, congratulations, double the bundle of joy. School fees कितना पता है तेरे को? And right when the movie started, the kids started. Fighting. Superman and the Batman. Papa, देखो Superman, Batman. And now, I was getting irritated because it was spoiling my experience of watching the movie. So I decided to tell them that, please. And how do you say that? What is the right way to tell someone कि तुम्हारे बच्चे को थोड़ा ऑफ करो ना? What's the right way? What's the polite way? So I just went with actions. I was like, can you please? उसने ताली दे दिया. फिर मैंने भी दे दिया. फिर हम लोग ऐसा. Got carried away. Then I was like, Arey, no. I'm like, trying to watch a movie. Can you please ask them to, please, your kids? I'm like, there's subtitles, no? Read. And that's when I got angry. And here's the thing. My anger and my English are not compatible. Anger come, English go. I'm like, how can you say that? I'm like, this is a good sentence. Let me repeat it. How can you say? No. How can you say? No. I was only one side. How can you say? No. How? No. How can you? How say? To which he responded, and I quote, भाई साहब, क्या ये मेरी गलती है कि मैंने 2 बच्चों को जन्म दिया है? मुझको कैसा पता? मैं थोड़ी I wasn't there. You tell me, what was your mood? I need more data to solve. Awkward. I was driving in Bombay and साइड में से एक ऑल्टो came and hit. क्या ही फर्क है दोनों में? एक ऐसा मीटर डालते, एक ऐसा OTP लेके. So Alto hit my mirror and went ahead. And then I caught up. And I was so angry. I was like, hey! Oh, hey! दिखता नहीं है क्या? पहले बार गाड़ी चला रहा है. Now he couldn't hear me because my car has power windows. So when you do this, nothing happened. He was like, yeah, always. It was like a reveal. It's like, oh, कौन है ये? अमिताभ बच्चन के लिए दबाए भी. And like, now can you see me? Like, hey, दिखता नहीं है क्या? पहली बार गाड़ी चला रहा है. Now apparently I am not very intimidating. Because his response was, भाई साहब वो सब छोड़ो, ये नजदीक पेट्रोल पंप कहाँ है? But I was still angry. बोला आगे से second right. दिखा दिया साले को.